Welcome to Blind to Brows, a really good reality show where contestants try to do the impossible.
Find love without seeing each other's eyebrows. Like, can you imagine? I'm Lauren.
And I'm Cameron, and we're your hosts.
Let's meet the singles.
I'm looking for eyebrows that are perfection.
Watch your back when the brows be snatched.
Size and shape does not matter as long as you know how to work your brows.
I like a natural look. I'm not afraid of a little fluff.
When it comes to brows, I like to switch it up. Thin, thick, bleached, pink, even shaved.
I'm into many different types of eyebrows.
I'm looking for someone to really fill in the gaps, you know?
Yes, Sydney, we know exactly what you mean. Now it's time for the contestants to meet face to face. Brows not included.
What are you looking for in eyebrows?
I like what I like. A natural look with some curve to it.
Wow, you're so confident and so complex. I've been browsing for love in the wrong places.
I like a good bush, but it's gotta be groomed.
So you're into like a micro tip that allows you to create thin and thick strokes that mimic your natural brows.
You could say that.
Sounds like Theo was ready to lift and snatch Beth right up. What is it, love?
Tune in next time to find out if love is truly blind to brows.